Can you spot the correct road sign? Let's find out. Question 1. Which road sign shows the stop road sign? Question 2. Can you identify the yield traffic sign? Question 3. Which traffic sign indicates do not enter? Question 4. Can you recognize the school crossing sign? Question 5. Which one is the roundabout traffic sign? Question 6. Can you spot the Pedestrians Crossing road sign? Question 7. Which traffic sign warns of a traffic light ahead? Question 8. Can you identify the no stopping road sign? Question 9. Which symbol indicates no U-turn traffic sign? Question 10. Can you point out the railroad crossing, Crossbuck road sign? Which road sign means no left turn? Question 12. Can you recognize the slippery when wet ahead sign? Question 13. Which one represents two-way traffic road sign? Question 14. Can you identify the handicapped road sign? Question 15. Which traffic sign shows divided highway begins? Question 16. Can you spot the road narrows traffic sign? Question 17. Which road sign warns of workers ahead? Question 18. Can you identify the deer crossing traffic sign? Question 19. Which road sign shows the yield sign ahead sign? Question 20. Can you point out the no right turn road sign? Question 21. Which traffic sign indicates pedestrians permitted? Question 22. Can you identify the bus station road sign? Question 23. Which road sign represents equestrian? Question 24. Can you recognize the reverse curve right warning sign? Question 25. Which traffic sign indicates no snowmobiles? Question 26. Can you identify the bike route road sign? Question 27. Which traffic sign shows divided highway ends? Question 28. Can you spot the farm vehicles warning sign? Question 29. Which one means stop sign ahead? Question 30. Can you identify the Y intersection road sign? Question 31. Which traffic sign indicates no trucks? Question 32. Can you spot the keep left traffic sign? Question 33. Which one represents the camping sign? Question 34. Can you identify the T intersection road sign? Question 35. Which sign shows a curve right ahead? Question 36. Can you recognize the school speed limit ahead sign? Question 37. Which road sign indicates an added left lane? Question 38. Can you identify the bicycle route road sign? Question 39. Which traffic sign shows a side road at an acute angle? Question 40. Can you point out the curve left road sign? If you want to pass your DMV test with ease, tap one of the videos on your screen to keep learning and master more must-know U.S. road signs before test day. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly DMV quizzes and driving tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.